YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my curls last over 5 days. So honestly, I feel like the routine that you do matters a lot, but I also feel like you could have the best routine, but if you're not taking care of your hair other way, if you're not taking care of your hair while you sleep and throughout the day, your hair is not going to last. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I manage my hair for 5 days and how I make my curls last over 5 days. So this is my day 1 curls. I washed my hair today. It is currently 1 a.m. I waited until my hair was dry because if you go to sleep with damp hair, expect your hair to look like shit tomorrow in the morning. I feel like that's a really big thing that I do that makes my curls last, is not sleeping with like damp or wet hair. Your hair just isn't going to dry properly and you're going to get a lot of frizz. Before I get into anything else, I have not pulled apart any curls. I did in fact take the scrunch out because it really doesn't matter, and I just prefer to do it now instead of the scrunch being taken out when I go to sleep. And sometimes my hair just reacts weird and differently to when I don't take the scrunch out, so I'd rather just do it now and get it over with. I feel like it makes my hair last longer if I do it now. I haven't pulled apart any curls. I don't pull my curls apart unless I need to. I like way more into my wash days to pull curls apart. So now that my hair is all dry, I'm going to show you guys how I sleep with my hair to maintain my hair. So first off, you're going to grab a hair tie. I prefer cotton hair ties. That's just me. So how I wear my hair at night is with a hair tie and a bonnet. So basically what I do is I'm going to flip my whole head over. I'm going to tie it as close as I can to my forehead. So basically I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to like see if hopefully I stay in the frame. If I don't, it's okay. You guys will still understand what I'm doing. So you guys are going to kind of see like this. Hopefully you guys can see. You guys are going to flip your guys' hair up. Cup it here. Cup it like that. Just put all your hair in this arm right here, in this hand. And you're going to, oh, what the hell was that? I recommend doing this more down, so like you're like more like bent over than like this. I recommend like the lower you can do it closer to the ground. I know that sounds a little weird. The better it is to cup your hair and put everything in. But since I'm trying to show you guys, I can't go all the way down because you guys won't see me. So you're just gonna kind of do it like that, and then you're just gonna put the rubber band the closest that you can to your forehead, like that. And you're gonna just do it once. Like, you're not gonna double twist. No, you're not. You're just gonna put it on there and boom. Honestly, if you get it like right here in the middle, like the farther up that you put the rubber band, I think better. But I just like a secure feeling, so I put it all the way down here. But it doesn't really matter how, you know. And then if like sometimes I like flip it up and go like that, just so it's not so tight on my roots. And then you're gonna grab your bonnet and you're gonna go like this. You're just gonna cup it in like this. And you're just gonna put it in there and boom, now your bonnet is all secure. And that's basically how I wear my hair every night. Literally nothing too special. And I do sleep side to side. Like, I move a lot in my sleep, so like I feel like this is the best way for me, at least. So yeah. And so then tomorrow, so I'm gonna go to sleep, but tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna show you guys how I take my hair out of the bonnet and what I do after I take my hair out of the bonnet. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Good morning, everybody. I know I look a little scary right now. Don't even mind that. Anyways, so this is how my bonnet looks when I wake up. It looks as it did when I went to sleep. So what I do in the morning, like as soon as I wake up, is usually I take my bonnet off, because this is how my hair looks when I take my bonnet off. I look emo. This is okay. So yeah, I just take the hair tie out and then I let my hair just let gravity do its thing and pull my hair down because my hair was up. So usually I won't touch my hair and I'll get ready. So I'm gonna get ready real quick and I'll come back so you guys can see how my hair looks. Like I don't touch it or do anything to it. Yeah, I'll go like that or I'll flip it over so it's like going the right direction. But I usually like don't do anything to it until I'm done changing, so I can let gravity do its thing and pull my hair back down. So I'll be back whenever I'm done getting ready and I'll show you guys what I mean, so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like right now. Why should there be like no difference? Like, this is my hair right now. Okay, whatever, I'll be back when I'm done. I forgot to mention, but depending on how I feel, I'll put my hair back in a hair tie. So like, let's say I'm making my bed or I'm doing my makeup and I don't want my hair in my face, I'll just put my hair back. I'll just put my hair back like literally like how I did when I went to sleep, like that, just once, and just do what I gotta do. So then if I'm like doing something, I'm doing my makeup, I'll just put my hair back in a hair tie, but otherwise my hair will stay like this and it's fine. Like, okay guys, I'm back and I'm like all readied up or whatever, and my hair obviously has weighed down a lot. It's been like over an hour, I'm not gonna lie, and I do have these front pieces that are really frizzy, and how I just fix them is I don't put any product. I just kind of like twirl them, just twirl them into each other like that, and it usually like fixes the frizziness and boom, like that. So yeah, I'm not gonna pull apart any pieces today. I'm gonna leave my hair like this, but I do want to let you guys know I have curl color in my hair right now. I don't know if you guys could tell, this is not my natural hair color. My hair looks brown right now and I want it to look like I have highlights, so I am gonna add a little bit of curl color to some pieces. I don't think that this makes a difference in my hair, how I take care of it. It really doesn't make a difference just because my hair is still like, honestly. So I'm just gonna put some on, let it dry, and then boom, like I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. It's not gonna be like for my whole head, just some pieces, because I have it all over my whole head right now, but that's what I did during my wash day, and my hair is obviously dry, but I just want my highlights to be a little more bold because they're not bold enough for me. My hair just looks brown. I'll be back whenever I finish that to show you guys like how my hair looks. Also, I forgot to mention, but my edges, I did them yesterday on my wash day and I have not done them today. Usually I would do my edges, if not tomorrow, in 2 days. Usually my edges, I don't try to do them every day. I avoid doing my edges because they stress me out. So I'm really glad that they stayed intact and I don't have to do them anymore. Also, the gel that I use, these things are hard. They are hard, like they are glued to my forehead. It's that got to be gel, bro. That gel is so good. But I'll be back when I'm done with my hair. I added curl color to like literally like 5 pieces of hair because I realized that it is very noticeable, but it depends on the lighting. And I guess since I'm looking at the camera, I can't really tell because like I feel like maybe when I edit this, I'll be able to tell more. But yeah, I only added to like 5 pieces of hair or even less because I was like, oh, you can't see it. You just can't see it like in dark lighting. You gotta be like somewhere where there's a lot of light. So yeah, this is how my hair looks like today. So I'll keep you guys updated on everything that I do for my hair. So I'll see you guys later. Good morning, guys. I know you guys can hear my brother in the background. Please ignore him. I'll make it quick. I didn't end up coming yesterday and showing you guys how I did my hair or how my hair looked tonight because there really wasn't any difference. My hair looked the same. But it is like 1 p.m. and I woke up really late today. I had no school today, so I slept the whole day, which is one thing you don't want to do when you're trying to maintain your curls, is sleep for a long time, because that just creates more frizz and fraction, just creates more frizz when you're sleeping. So we're gonna check how my hair looks. Okay, not too bad, because I had my hair up for like hours, so my hair's like gonna like stay up. Okay, I'm gonna let see how frizzy my hair got. Oh my god. I'm gonna let gravity do its thing for like 15 minutes and then I'll be back so you guys can see how my hair actually looks. Okay guys, I'm back and I've kind of let my hair like do its thing, but I'm literally not going out. I'm not doing anything, so I'm just gonna put my hair back in my bonnet. I'm gonna just put my bonnet on like I would normally and just gonna tuck this underneath like this, just so I have my hair out of my face, and like if I'm going out or anything, I'll take it out, but I really don't think I'm going out anywhere today, so I'll leave it like that. And if you don't want you like to look bald, you can like peep out your edges. Sometimes I do that. I look sick, but it's okay. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys with any updates or anything like that. Okay guys, I'm back and I just finished showering. That's why my hair looks a little crazy, and I usually put my hair up in a bun. I'm not going to show you guys right now how I do my hair like when I shower, just because I just took it down and I'm like letting it, like, you know, like one way that I feel like I just get my hair to like just maintain is not touching it, leaving it alone. But tomorrow I'm going to show you guys how I shower with my hair, just because I didn't today. I kind of forgot. And yeah, I just kind of like flip my hair like back and forth, you know, let it like stay in the style, like let it like just be free. Honestly, I just let it be like however it wants to be while it goes down after I shower. I'm just letting my hair dry just in case some pieces got wet by accident. Not like wet, but like, you know, like they just got like a little bit of water on them. But yeah, this is my hair so far. My hair is always going to be frizzy in the back. I don't know how to not make my hair be frizzy in the back. It's always going to be frizzy in the back. But yeah, this is my hair at the end of day 3. Today's day 3, right? Because I washed my hair Saturday and today's Monday. So yeah, this is my hair at the end of day 3. It is still coming down from when I put the bun up. But yeah, and tomorrow I am actually waking up early and I actually have to go to school tomorrow. So the way that I do my hair in the morning is a little different. So I'm going to show you guys my hair tomorrow, since I will be awake more hours tomorrow than usual. Then these last 2 days, since I've basically been doing nothing at home. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys tomorrow, or if anything happens with my hair. Good morning, welcome to the beginning of day 4. So I just took my hair out the bonnet, and I actually just came real quick to show you guys what I did. I actually just came here to show you guys real quick what I'm going to do with my hair for the rest of the morning until I get ready. I'm just going to put my hair back in a hair tie like this. Ooh. Because what I happened to notice, my hair was already like this. That's why my hair was more down. But I was like, let me show you guys what I do. Because I was just going to tell you guys, but I don't know if, visual learning. So yeah, I was like, let me just show you guys what I do in the mornings like this when I don't have that much time to just let gravity do its thing. Because when I would have my hair down the way that I would on the weekends, I literally have my hair like that for like hours, or like an hour. Right now I don't have an hour to have my hair down like that, so I just put it back like this. And I'll be back whenever I'm done getting ready and show you guys how my hair looks like after I take it out. Okay, I'm done getting ready. It's been like 30 minutes. Now we're just gonna take my hair down. I'm not gonna lie, tonight was the night that my hair got the frizziest. I don't know what's going on with my hair today. But how I fix like these frizzies is I just twirl them and twirl them and twirl them. And if they don't go back to their shape, I'll wet them. I'm not going to be wetting any hairs right now. I'll see when I get home if I'm gonna wet any hairs. And then in the morning I usually twirl this piece, just because these two pieces right here in the morning are usually like the frizziest. So I just twirl them to like try to like get them to go back to try to get them to be like a perfect curl. Okay, so there's that. And then I'll do the same thing on this side with the front pieces. I don't care enough about the back unless it looks really bad. But usually I don't try to fix the back. I don't know how the back looks. I'm gonna just hope it looks good. But you can definitely start to see that my front pieces are getting frizzy. But I didn't want to say that I still have yet to do my edges. And like they're obviously getting like frizzy and undone. But I usually only do my edges until they look like terrible and horrendous. I'm not a big fan of doing my edges every morning. Sometimes like I do my edges every morning. But like since my edges are not visible to them, I really don't care. Because like I try to get my edges perfect, and I will literally sit there all day trying to get my edges perfect, especially because I have a lot of frizzy hair right here, but it's just pushed back. And when that hair isn't pushed back, you could see my edges through my hair. Okay, like I have a lot, and I try to use the most minimum amount of hair that I can for my edges. This is what my hair looks like at the beginning of day 4. As we can see, my hair is starting to get frizzy, but not too bad. Like it's definitely starting to get frizzy on some pieces, but nothing crazy. So I'll see you guys later whenever I get home to see how my hair looks. So it's the night of day 4, and I know my hair looks really bad right now. It looks really frizzy, you guys can't tell, but I took 2 naps today. I took 1 nap for like an hour. I didn't protect my hair at all. I was super tired. I was laying on my hair, which is something you do not want to do. And I just kind of like put my hair up, like no hair tie, no nothing, just on the couch. And yeah, that messed up my hair a lot. So it's like super frizzy under here, and it's like really frizzy in the back. And then I took another nap. I feel like when I went to sleep, and I feel like I was moving a lot while I was taking that nap, and it made my hair even frizzier. And I didn't even know what to do with my hair. My hair was making me mad. So I literally, for the rest of the day while I woke up, I just put my hair back like this, which is fine. I just did a lot of things that you're not supposed to do today, and I have a feeling tomorrow I'm gonna take a nap again and do the same thing. But I'm gonna show you guys my hair. But I'm gonna show you guys my hair with the light on so you guys can see better. Okay, so this is my hair looks like at the end of day 4. Not too bad. I know the back looks really bad though. I never look at the back of my head. And also you can tell now that my edges are starting to become undone. I don't do my edges. I don't even worry about them. Like they're not even visible. As long as they're not like really bad, I don't do them. So like depending tomorrow, if they look really bad, like something happens while I sleep that I need to do them again, I'll do them. But if they look similar like this or a little worse than this tomorrow in the morning, I'm not doing them again. I only do my edges unless I literally like have to, like they look really bad. But yeah, this is the end of day 4, so I will see you guys tomorrow. And also, I have not pulled apart any curls yet or anything. I have not done any of that. If I just have not pulled apart any curls yet, I think that it's just a style that I was going for this week. If this were to be 7 days, I feel like towards the end I would pull apart curls, but I feel like I could make my hair last for like 2 weeks if I really tried. So let me know if you guys want to see that, because I really feel like I could. So yeah, this is my hair at the end of day 4. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, everybody. Today is day 5. So I decided that I'm gonna wear my hair a little more sideboard than usual. So this is how my hair has looked, how I've been wearing my hair for like the past 5 days. So today I'm just gonna like flip it over like that, because I feel like that's just what I'm going for more today. And it is raining outside and really windy, so I think my hair is definitely gonna get some type of effect. But since I'm wearing my hair like this, I have to do my edges, because like they're very visible. So I'm gonna do my edges real quick and then I'll be back to show you guys. Okay, I'm back and I finished my edges. I just did some light edges, and I did split apart this piece that I had right here somewhere. They're into 3s right now, and I split those pieces apart because they just look like a big ass like curl going down like that, and it just did not look good. So yeah, I did split apart that piece. You could tell that I messed up the first time and then I had to do it again because I had done a piece too small, which is fine. I just twirl it like that. Ooh. And it looks a little goofy, but like it's fine. So yeah, I'll be back whenever I get home from school, because I wonder how my hair is gonna turn out, and I wonder if it's gonna start raining when I'm like moving from one class to another, and we'll see. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so this is day 5 hair. As you guys know, it's still the same time. It's after school, and I don't know what happened, but my hair got super frizzy. I'm not sure, and my hair just got really dry, so I'm gonna actually put some lotion in my hair. I was playing with a puppy, and the puppy low-key started eating my hair, so my hair's a little dry and frizzy on some parts, and I don't know why my hair got dry all of a sudden. Usually my hair is dry, so this is like not out of the ordinary. I don't know why my hair is super dry, but you could put like any oil, like coconut oil I put in. But yeah, my hair, this is how my hair looks like for day 5. I think I'm gonna leave it off this and here, because I don't think my hair is gonna look very different from later in the night, unless something really, like something actually happens and I mess up my hair. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at this for my hair 5. Let me know if you guys want to like see like a whole week or like 2 weeks. I think I could do 2 weeks. I'm not gonna lie, I think I could make my hair last for 2 weeks. But my hair is super frizzy. I'm going towards the light so you guys can see. But yeah, I like when I have my frizzy pieces, I just fix them like this. And yeah, so yeah, this is my day 5 hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of showing you guys how I maintain my hair throughout the week to cause the least amount of frizziness. Maybe I feel like on day like 6 I'll start to pull my curls apart, but like I'll wash my hair like day 7. Like I like to wash my hair at least once a week. It's just preference. But I feel like I kind of do want to do a challenge of making my hair last 2 weeks, because I feel like I could do it. I feel like I could make my hair last 2 weeks. So yeah, this is my hair at the end of day 5. Well, not the end, but you know, this is my hair for day 5. I know it's super frizzy in the back. My hair's always frizzy in the back. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.